How can I make money doing what I love? Number one,
just do it. Make your dreams come true.
Do it. And that means you're gonna have to actually get good at what you do. Don't let anybody tell you that you can't do what you love, because you're looking at someone who did what he loves despite everyone telling me that it was impossible. You need a fallback plan. You need to figure out something else more practical. When I was a kid, people told me that I would never make it as a musician. They told me I didn't sing good enough. Then I was on Star Search and they were like, oh, maybe you can make it. And then I, got a recording contract. They're like, oh, well, I don't know. And then I got on Broadway and they were like, oh, you made it. But you know what they said in the beginning? You can't do that. You need a fallback plan. You need to fall back. And what I say to that is you have a plan A and a plan B. If you have a plan B, you might as well go ahead and do the plan B, because you believe in your plan B more than you do your plan A. There are a lot of people that are living a life that they don't want to live. As a matter of fact, the number one regret of the dying is that they didn't live the life that they wanted to live. They lived a life that everyone else wanted to live. And I don't want that to be you. What do you got to lose? What do you got to lose? Nothing. Now, are you gonna have some struggles along the way? Absolutely. But 9 times out of 10, if you believe in yourself, you're gonna be just fine. Because just like Khalid said,
you know what's so crazy, man? It's like, it breaks my heart. Nah, it really fucking breaks my heart that there's people out there that don't believe in us. Speedy, they don't believe in us. This breaks my fucking heart. Nah, it's fucking crazy. If you really think about it, like, it's actually humans that don't believe in us. Shame on them.
How could they?
Shame on these motherfuckers. God did.
God did. God did. You need to really dive into your craft. You need to study it. You need to become great at it. You need to become an expert at what you do. Actually do it. Number 2, teach it. Sometimes, hey, maybe you want to be a professional boxer, let's just say, like Customato, right? He actually was a boxer in the past, but then he got older and he couldn't actually be a boxer at 50, 60 years old. So he taught Mike Tyson how to be a boxer.
I'm not a creator. What I do is discover and uncover. See, my job is to take the spark and fan it. When it starts to become a little flame, I feed it. And I feed the fire until it becomes a roaring blaze. And then when it becomes a roaring blaze, I pour huge logs on. And then you really got a fire going.
Once you become a connoisseur of your craft, or if you feel like, hey, what I love to do, I can't actually do right now, you have knowledge that people need to actually become great at whatever it is that you want to do. So teach them how to do it. Share your knowledge. Be someone who educates the young people on how to grow and become the things that everybody says is impossible, so they can go and make a video like this one day. And number 3, talk about it. Talk about it. Talk about it. This is the best time for anyone with any opinion on anything to share it and make a living doing it. I mean, think about all the commentators you guys watch all the time. Charlemagne the God. You watch, who else? Stephen A. All those people are talking about doing what they love. And you don't have to have a radio channel behind you. You don't have to have a TV station behind you. If you offer value to your viewers, you can do it right here on the magical YouTubes. And as you know, there are a lot of people making a crazy amount of money right here on the YouTubes. So I hope that helps you, and I hope that that's going to help another, say, 1,000 of the 10,000 people that I hope to inspire move themselves towards making a living doing what they love, making money doing what they love. 3 ways right there. So if this has helped you, make sure you hit that subscribe button, that like button, that turn on notifications, and I will see you in the next video.